How to close permanent Microsoft account? So first of all, log in the Microsoft account like this and click on the three lines, and you will see options like this settings option here. Click on it and click on it account options and Vibe account, and once again click on the three lines and you can see option like your info. So scroll down and you will see options like close account, so click on it and scroll down and close account option here, and scroll down and next button now and tick mark and select your region like this. I am use different Microsoft account, do not need this one, and tick mark now and mark account for closure. And your account is successfully deleted. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.